Okay, so y is equal to 3.846 power 6 multiply 3.8802 power minus 9 divide by 23.2616. So this is equal to 0.6415 times 10 to the power minus 3 meters. So this is the shift. Okay, this is the shift, right? Now, we already know that it's shift, okay, but we don't know it goes up or go down. We don't know. This is just applying the formula blindly. Okay, we know it's positive. Okay, whether shift upwards or downwards, we don't know. Let me teach you a better method. Not a better method. A method that a high school student can even less than high school student. You all learn function, a linear function, probably in middle school, right? Okay, let's look at this. I'm going to use middle school math. I think it's middle school. Okay. So we're going to do this now. Okay, option number 2. So what we're going to do from here is we just need to geometrically plot this out. Okay, we're going to plot it, and it is a linear function. We know it's a linear function. Why we know it's a linear function? Because if we look at the function where we have stress is equal to x direction is equal to minus or is equal to px over a. Right, plus or minus, I'm not bothered, mz over izz multiplied by y. Okay, so what we're going to plot is based on what? Relative to. So this is our response. This is our variable. The rest are all constant. Yes or no? So we know it's a linear function. There's no thought about this. We know it's a linear function. So let's plot this out. So we are going to plot it's 8.144. So this is 10. Okay, so this is the y-axis. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Then it's going to be minus 2, 4, 6, 8, minus 10, and minus 12. Okay. Okay. So this is our y-axis. All right. So this is our y. Then we have our stress x. So our x value range from what? Our x value range from 67 minus 67 52. Okay, so this will be equal to 10 wait is equal to minus 20 minus 40 minus 60 minus 80. Then you have 20 40 60. I don't need to draw anymore because the maximum tensile is at what? The maximum tensile is 52. Okay, so this is your normal stress. Okay, so when it is equal to 8.154, it's 52.73. Okay, so 52, so 8.154. I'm just going to eyeball this 8.154, and it's 52. So it's going to be somewhere around here. Okay, so over here, this is my 52.73, and then this is my 8.154. Okay, and then the next one is at 67.17, so 60, 67, and then 11.28, so 11.28, so 60. As I say, I'm eyeballing this. Okay, so 67 is somewhere around here, and then 11.846, right? Is it 11.846? Yep, 11.846. So it's closer to 12. Okay, so over here, this is my 67.171. Right, comma 11.846. Okay, so you just draw a straight line. Okay, so from here you just sketch a straight line. So what you can see down here, right? you can see that we're going to have a shift. And now we know that the shift, right, from here, whatever we calculate, we know now the shift, right? We're going to have a shift. Previously, we did not know. It's just a number. You just use the formula, it's just a number. We now know that the shift will be going downwards. Okay. So over here, this is the position of our neutral axis. This is the position of your centroid. Right? So this is based on geometry. Okay. And this is based on stress field. Okay. Now, so we know that the formula that we're going to use. Okay, we know that we're going to write up the formula. So this is we know that this is a linear function. What am I doing down here? All right, we know this equation over here. This is a linear function. Okay, so linear function, we know that we're going to use y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so is c is the y, so is we want to find the c value. Right, we want to find the c value because this is the what over here, this position over here is the y intercept. So down here we know that this is the c value. Okay, we know that there's a, so to find the c value you have to find what is the moment first. So m, not moment, what am I, do you find the gradient? Right, so m is the gradient. Okay, so m is equal to change in y over the change in x. Right, so we can calculate the change in y. So the change in y is 0.02, that's the entire height, and the change in x is the entire stress field or maximum and minimum. So 67.171 times 10 to the power 6 plus by 52.729 times 10 to the power 6. So this will be equal to 67.171 power 6 plus by 52.729 power 6. So 0.02 divided by this. So the gradient is equal to 166.819. Okay, let me do it again. So 67.171. Okay, 67.17. Sorry, what was the stress that we calculate? 67.17. Sorry, not 171. Okay, so 67.17 power 6 plus by 52.729 power 6. So 0.02 divided by this, so it's equal to 1.166807 times 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, so we know that this is equal to, oh, sorry. So we know that this is equal to y is equal, because it's positive slope. So this is stress x, right? So then plus by the c value. So c is what we want to find. So the next thing we just need to do is we just substitute x. Okay, we just substitute stress x is equal to 52.729 times 10 to the power 6. Okay, and then we know that y, right? We also know that y is equal to 8.154 times 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, into the above. So we just substitute this point over here into the expression. So you will have, so y is equal to 8.154 times 10 to the power minus 3. So this is equal to 166.807 times 10 to the power minus 12. multiplied by 52.729 times 10 to the power minus 6, and then the plus by C down here. So C, which is a shifter, so 8.154 power minus 3 divided by 166.807 power minus 12 divided by 52.7 to 52.729 power 6. So it's equal to, wait, this is power positive 6. Okay, that is stress. Okay, so 8.154 power minus 3 divided by 166.806 power minus 12 divided by 52.729 power 6. So this is A. Wait, I'm getting funny number down here. So 52.729 power 6 multiply 166.806 power minus 12. So 8.154 power minus 3 divided by this. So it's equal to, there is a number that I'm not getting right down here. 35. Wait. So Y 166 0.02 divided by 67.17 power 6 plus by 52.729 power 6 close bracket. 166.807 is correct. So this is 52.729. So this is stress X. 52.7 8.154.
Sir,
Okay. Yep.
so in that delta x, shouldn't that be the difference between the two x values? Like, why is that plus
Yeah,
6?
that is the X, that is the extreme values, right? Because I'm taking 0.02. Okay, you know what? What I'm going to do is I'm going to find why this is different. Okay, and I'm going to change my calculation down here, and then I don't want to waste your time waiting for this. Now, I want to talk to you all more about homework number, because I'm not able to finish teaching. So I want to talk to you all about your homework. Okay, let me talk about your homework. So I've already posted your homework already. So what I want to emphasize is this: for your homework, okay, because as I said, I cannot finish teaching. So for the homework, don't go yet. I'm almost done. Okay, I'm looking for your homework. So for homework 7, okay, you all need to do until question 6. Okay, I'll write this down. Okay, so for homework, okay, I'll write this down. Homework week 07. Okay, do until, okay, do until question 6. Okay, so stop at question 6. You can do question 6, but not 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, do question 6. So I'll figure out why I'm not getting the right number. I don't want you all to waste time sitting down here while waiting for me to figure out. Okay, and that's all for this week. Okay, so I'll still be online. Okay, I'll still be online. If you have any question, you can ask me, and I'm going to stop recording now. Okay.